Oh, yeah.
Of course. Cool. That's just real life throttle pressure.
Yeah. It's like a smooth.
Yeah.
This is really smooth,
Yeah.
right?
And that's zero wheel alignment. I haven't checked shock valving or anything like that. I don't even know what the air pressure is. This is like literally right off the trailer with the Schwartz chassis, and it's just really nice and smooth. You roll into a little bit.
Pretty nice.
With the shift function, it's fine. It downshifts. You can feel it. So other than it letting me down on the street the other day, I'm stoked, man.
Get some revisions on it, do a little bit of tuning, a little bit of baseline, see where we're at, get the drivability a little bit better.
Yep.
And man, I'm thinking this thing's already ready to rock and roll.
I mean, it kind of is.
It's
Just that one
like-
thing about the alternator.
Yeah.
That's the whole problem right there. It's that weird whistling sound. What is that whistle?
Nagasaki war whistle.
But it wasn't a whole lot of black smoke out the back end.
No, for a baseline, like just baseline calibration that's in it right now, that's what I kept on looking back. I was like, it's not even when you hit full throttle down on it, there's really not even much of a haze.
No, under a little bit of load, you can see a bit of black smoke.
Yeah.
My exhaust got sealed to the bedside. That's annoying.
Yeah.
You know, there's a little bit of turbulence in the bed.
Yeah, but it's not too bad.
Let's throw a meter on the battery.
Yep.